So guys, we are right inside Ideogram AI, and I believe that it is the fastest AI art generator that you can get, and the one that has some quality. So the thing is that there are other AI art generators as well, some real time as well, that is like the fastest you can get, but still the one that give you quality generations, Ideogram is one of them, and the text on it, it's flawless actually. So the point that I want to make here today is that Ideogram AI is still the fastest AI art generator, and I will show you that in a bit. And the question is that it's not all about speed, the quality. We are going to test it, we are going to see how the quality is and the accuracy of what I actually wanted, or the details that I'm going to give it. So we are gonna test how it performs when it comes to that. So I was already making this one Justin Bieber art painting. So let's turn it to Iron Man, Iron Man art painting, and let's see what the quality is now. So it's I have a paid plan for this Ideogram AI, and see it's 82% complete, and now it's already complete as you see. So if we see these, so it's a painting. This one looks more like a painting of Iron Man. And let's assume I want to write some text on it with some sarcastic text. Okay, so this is what I gave it, and I want some sarcastic or meme type of text on it. So we are gonna see if Ideogram AI adheres to that, which I'm pretty sure it will be doing. So let's see how it goes. So 27% complete, 69%, and it's done. So let's see what the text is. Sometimes being genius, a genius really sucks. Okay, the text is not that perfect over here. Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist, and sarcastic. So this is actually what Iron Man is. So here it says, I told you I Iron Man. It should be I'm Iron Man. So genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist, sarcastic. So well, this is Iron Man. So this is how Ideogram AI is performing, and I think that if you haven't tried out Ideogram AI, Ideogram is perfect for you. And but actually, I should tell you how it's perfect for you. So anyone involved in meme making, or people in marketing, content creators or storytellers, they can make very good use of Ideogram AI. And especially if you want a fast-paced workflow, Ideogram AI would fit right into your workflow. So now do let me know down in the comments, do you use Ideogram AI, or do you know any other better alternative? And right now on the screen you would be seeing two videos that might be of interest to you. We'll see each other in those ones.